Hello everybody, welcome to the Creative Arena. Today's tutorial will be showing you how to change your Elementor UI theme, this to black, and that is the dark mode, and also we'll be showing you how to enable the editing handles for your elements in your editing canvas. So in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is at the top left corner here you see the hamburger icon. This icon, you click on the icon, you go to the user preference, then in order to enable the editing handles, you just toggle this button to yes, and then allow a few seconds for it to update. Yeah, it's been updated. Now when you hover here, you will see the editing icon. The first icon here with the pen is for editing, this is to duplicate, and then this is to delete. Now in order to you to be able to change your UI theme, this section, to the dark mode, you just come here and then you select. By default is on auto detect, which is the light mode, and then you just select this and then you select the dark, and then that is it. You just update it. Once you've updated it, now whenever you are using your Elementor, it will be in the dark mode. So right now, with this editing handle, your work can be easy for you and faster, easier and faster. With the dark mode, at least this can protect your eyes. So that is it for this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and we hope it's informative for you. We'll be uploading more Elementor tutorial in our channel. So if this is your first time on our channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also like our videos and drop comments wherever you're confused, and we will be there to put you through and then answer all your questions. Thank you and bye.